Hola gang, hola friends, hola friends. Welcome back. I'm very disappointed with myself. Colours, gorgeous. Design, not gorgeous. Execution, tragic. But we're going to look at this anyway, if you want. We're starting with, have I enticed you? Have I encouraged you to want to watch the video? We're starting with, that was Bring My Latte, possibly? I'll list it in the description. So we're doing that on 2 nails, and then we're velvet topping, and we're taking this Fireside, what did it say? Snap? No, S something. And we're using the Ultra Liner brush. All of these things are from Glam, where you can get a whopping 30% off. I know. That's not just a Christmas thing. That's all year round. Using the link in the description and the code MISSJO30. We're doing a swirl. Cinnamon swirl. And so this is one of the colours from their new collection that we swatched earlier in the week. Called the Jingle and Joy collection. How adorable is that? And look at that colour. It's a really gorgeous frosted metal. Do go and check out the swatching for this collection because they are some stunners. And you just have to look at them. So we're going to carry on doing swirls. This video is less than 13 minutes long because I gave up halfway through. Well, actually 60% through. So we've done some swirls. We've what have we done to them? Cured them. That's always a good move. And then we're taking this colour. Why haven't I showed the bottle? This is called Snowflake Glow, I believe. It's amazing. It's the one that we did that in the video the other week with the snowflake designs, and this one had the gold stamping on top. Oh, so good. So I decided to do the swirly thing with the dotting tool, and you get that pattern. What are we calling this stuff? I've seen a few names for it, but I don't know. Swirly gel. You don't have to swirl it, and I wish I didn't. I also wish that I didn't put it on nude, but we'll talk about that later. So I knew I wanted white at the top, but for some reason I wanted to start with the red. So I did the red a bit further down so that I could then put a white on top. But then, because I figured it'd be easier to create the lines using red because I'll be able to see better. But then I thought, oh, we're whizzing through this because I'm just not happy with myself. And then I thought, no, I don't like it finishing with white. I'm not feeling it. So we'll put red on. And then I thought, that's too high up now. So we're going to take art gel and we're going to run a line across the swirl. But then once we put these crystals on, we're going to push them all down to cover that red stripe at the top, because I just feel like it was just too deep, this sort of French, well, it's not a French, but you know, a side swirl French. I used to have a hair. I used to, I've got very long hair, but when I was little, I had very, very long hair. And my mum used to, love putting it in plaits and things. And there was one hairstyle, how do we get onto this? Side French, called one side up and the rest loose, which was, does exactly as it says on the tin. It was just, but not the whole, not like half of my head up, just like a swoop, from the ear upwards, take a bit there, have that in a little hairband, and the rest loose. And it was just like a very common saying in my house, one side up and the rest loose. Anyway, that's nothing to do with nails. Just unlocked a childhood memory by saying a side French. So we're going to put these crystals on, red, then white, then red, then white, and some caviar beads in between them. And I zipped through because it's just easier than, editing where it looks like I'm just touching each little bit and the caviar bead appears. That's a ball ache. So I cured that, And then I thought, let's make a heart. But I didn't necessarily want them to go all the way around the top. Thought if I just put a few here, then when I put them together, they'll make a heart. And then I thought that looks bloody ridiculous. Fill in the hole. Okay? The only acceptable holes are toad in the hole. Ugh, I've had toad in the hole for ages. And it's toad in the whole time of year, isn't it? And then we're going to wiggle them around with a cuticle stick. You see that top right corner? Wait. Yes, right. No. Yes. I'm going to put a little caviar bead there because it was a bit too pointy, that corner. And I couldn't push the crystal in a bit to curve it in that corner because I'd already cured them. So we just put a caviar bead to kind of soften it. Still looks like a bit more of a sharp angle than one would like to see in a heart. And then we're going to top coat the bottom part. The middle part, the nudie part, is already matte. And that's that. The white isn't white enough because I've got it on this nude background. There is one redeeming feature about this, and that's that if you shake it, just like the other day, another one appears. Do they match? No. Are the stripes the same thickness? Absolutely not. Does it matter? No. I was already annoyed at this point. But I do like the heart. But the cut is... Just tell you why I was annoyed. Okay? Let's be real. Like I'm ever not real. Can you imagine having a channel or something and pretending to be... You see these channels that are like, I've got a perfect life and everything's amazing. No, you don't. You're such a liar. This must be exhausting for you. I just don't have the energy for that. So why was I annoyed? I was annoyed because the colours are so nice and I've done them absolutely no justice. That's why. But now we've done a dot in the middle and then a curve up to the top and then in the other direction at the bottom. So it's almost like you've done an S on the nail. And then we're just doing the same in between those. So having them all curl round the same way, like a Catherine wheel. The firework, not the torture device, named after St. Catherine of Alexandria. We're going for candy cane vibe, not middle-aged torture device vibes. And then we're going to thicken them up. We want them thicker at towards the outside of the nail, towards the edges. And again, I just didn't do a very nice job of it. Why? Why do we have these days? One of the recent videos, the pink set, I think I'll show you in a minute. I was so happy with that set. It was so cute. It was neat. And I was really happy with it, which is very rare for me to say, isn't it? And then I did this and was like, oh, pride really doth cometh before the fall. So we're going to cure that. Oh, no, we're not. We're going to change the shapes a bit because they weren't, yeah. I wiped some bits away. It was easier than wiping it off and starting again, which I had already done twice. And then we're going to fill the middles in with this amazing colour. Snowflake Glow. Is it from the Advent? Possible? Or is it not? I think it might be. Yes, I think it is. Advent calendar, that is. And look, see... Look, right? Listen here. You see how the white is on a clear background now? Also, check out the opacity of that red on a clear background. Amazing. And it's much more white. Whereas on the nudie background, it dulled it a bit. And I think when I realised that was the beginning of this isn't going well. But yeah, it's much whiter on here. And I shouldn't have added all the swirls. I think it was too fussy. Bit like this voiceover. Lot going on, lot being said, bit fussy. But we'll carry on. We'll power through. How is everybody? You all okay? I was swirling each one and then curing it and then realising I don't need to do that. It's not cat eye. You know, where you want to get it in the lamp before moving on to the next one because you're going to zhuzh that and the new zhuzh will affect the other zhuzh if you haven't cured the other zhuzh. But I didn't need to do that in this, so I just filled them all in and then got my swirl on. I was asking how you are. I hope you're all okay. Thanks for your comments in my recent videos, you lovely lot. I must give a shout out to Vampy Ragdoll. She is the first person to comment or like every single thing, and I see you. I see you there. So if you want to try and beat her, you'll have to rush quicker to the videos. Turn the notifications on. I was about to put a crystal in the middle, then thought I'll top it first. I know I'm not a fan of putting anything on top of a shiny cured top coat because it's not very grippy at all. But I think a lot of these gels, like this art gel and things like that these days, are very strong. I wouldn't recommend using nail glue to put crystals on. Use a gel. They're much, they keep things on better. So I topped it first, because if I was to top around this, you'd have a big wiggle in the light line all around the heart. And that I just couldn't, I wouldn't be able to sleep. So I've added a red heart and then a little clear crystal at the top and bottom, and then some caviar beads I'm adding either side. Oh, this one, you're not getting away from me. No. You know when you've got loads of caviar beads and one falls off and you're like, whatever, I've got loads. I'm trying to not do that, because when you get to the end of them, you just think, oh, how many have been hoovered up? And then I think I do add another caviar bead at the top of each of those white crystals, or the top of the top one and the bottom of the bottom one. When I used to smoke fags, and I smoked backy. Oh, here's the set. Look how nice that is. What happened to the person who did those? Don't know. And you'd get your fresh pack of backy and you'd spill some and you'd just brush it off. But then when you got to the end, you'd be like savouring every little scrap. Yeah, be like that with your caviar beads, if you want. So that's that one. At this point, I spent about half an hour trying to do something else on the other nails. Got really annoyed and just painted them full that red, and apparently didn't even film it. So that's this set. One of my shortest videos ever. But I hope you like it. You can see the difference in the white, on the nude, not on the nude. But yeah, let me know if you like this set. The colours are so good, so don't let this design or execution put you off them, because they're amazing. Like, comment, hype, subscribe. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.